Hello, my friends. Welcome to Henrik's Building Lounge. I am Henrik, and in this video, we are building the winter holiday train. It has 294 pieces, and it is going to expand my growing Christmas Lego collection. And without further ado, let's open this up and get started. All right, here we go. We have 1, 2, 3 bags and an instruction manual. 2 instruction manuals. Let's go. And bag 1 is done. And with it, we have the base of the locomotive, which basically means we have just about everything except the engine itself, which seems to be nicely detachable, going by these one stud line of things. In front, we have an interesting building technique using these fins to create the front grille thing of the locomotive. And something I haven't seen before is using the offset of the snot piece. If I do that like that, this makes the leaf piece just a little bit more flush against the surface that it is trying to cover. Very cool. And on the back, we have the hitch. On the other side, we have, well, the same stuff. And this is actually covered up, so I'll open it. I'll put this back together in a moment. But we have an actual engine compartment with a couple of gauges inside. On to bag number 2 once I've reassembled this. We are partway through bag 2, but what's done is this. We have the engine on our locomotive. It is detachable like so, just as predicted. And we have this nice trail of smoke piece. Only, nitpickery is the amount of printing that it is a Lego piece. It's a bit much. It's a lot more than most pieces. But ultimately, after I'm done building this thing, I'm probably not going to care about that minor nuance. And without further ado, let me put these pieces together. Bag 2 is done, and what we have here, in addition to the engine I just showed you, is we have this little wagon, which is adorned with presents. 5 boxes visible on top, and maybe some treats hidden inside. Who knows? This is not my train. Well, it is my train, but yeah, cool design. Love it. On to bag number 3. Here is the final result. Bag 3 is done, and with it, the entire set. As you can see, this is the other instruction booklet, and it is for, in its entirety, this little wagon here. It has a micro scale Christmas tree with more presents behind it. Love this set. It's a 4 stud wide train, but very adorable, very detailed. Love it. I'm going to display with my other Christmas stuff. And with that being said, I'm going to build more Lego.